How will the world end? It's a question many of us have asked, and let's admit it, for a minute, we thought it was COVID, but now we carry on. So what else could it be? Maybe it's an asteroid that dips out of near-Earth orbit and strikes, or nuclear war, the natural conclusion to a 50-year arms race of mutually assured destruction. Or it could be something that looks like us, something stronger, faster, more ruthless, and deadlier than us, an android, a machine. Something similar but even scarier, a machine with our secret sauce, a machine with intelligence. Artificial intelligence. As the race to create the most powerful AI heats up, we can't help but worry about potential apocalyptic outcomes. But what if we have it all wrong? What if artificial intelligence is actually here to help us? Help us feed the hungry, do better surgery, totally eliminate hard labor. Wait, am I dreaming out loud again? I mean, obviously this sounds too good to be true, right? But maybe it's not. This week, we learned that AI actually answered one of humanity's most important questions.
If a tree falls in the forest but no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound?
No, not that one. One that I think is actually much more important. One that is going to change the lives of every human being on this planet from this point onward. The three-dimensional protein folding question. Wait, what? Yeah, the Google Alphafold project used AI to calculate the three-dimensional structure of every one of the hundreds of millions of proteins on the planet and released the information for free on the web. This is big.